Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. With the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are starting Surah An-Nisa today. Alhamdulillah, thumma alhamdulillah. All praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا 4 counts long, and keep light, because you are lifting your tongue up, but you are not touching the palate. That's why this is very soft. Hamza is very sharp. This hamza cuts off the flow of sound, so it is sharp. The fatha, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it here you will apply nabar. Ya and waw, whenever these two letters are with tashdid, if you find them with tashdid, you are creating nabar, and nabar is a flow, is a jump of sound. So when you are attaching this hamza with ya, here you are applying nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Ay. Can you feel the difference? If I am saying it without nabar, it will be ayu, ayu. But I have to apply this number, otherwise we might drop the second ya. So you for the circle lips, han for fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Han, and then it is 2 counts long. Na su for the circle your lips and attach with ta, sut, and ta is shadid letter. There is no flow of sound. The sound will be cut off very sharply. Sut, and then fatha, the sound is very short. Ta, for the circle your lips, and it is 2 counts long, and make it heavy. Ra is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it ba. Ba has shidda. The sound will be cut off very sharply. Rab, no flow of sound at all. Rab, and then fatha is very short. Ba, ku, for the circular lips. The sound is very short and soft and light. And for the circular lips, ku, mul, for the circular lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the basut. Mul. And for fatha is fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. La, the 2 counts long. Kha is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Qaf is heavy and the sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Kha, la, kum, for the circular lips. And this is idgham shafawi. You are merging in this sound of meme into this sound of meme. So this is idgham shafawi here. Kum. So and this is with gunna definitely, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum, and then kasra is very short. Me, and don't miss this e sound. I'm giving you reminders again and again. If this kasra is attached with the other coming up letter, even then this sound should stay the e sound. Me, and after saying me, then attach with noon. Mean, and give gunna here. This is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min, this is idgham with gunna. Naf, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Fa will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Naf. Sorry, I'm not writing very neatly. Subhanallah. Nafsiyum, for kasra, give e sound and then attach with waw, and this is idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Siyum, and then it is 2 counts long too. Wa, for waw, circle your lips and then make it 2 counts long. Wa, hi, for kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Da is very sharp. No flow of sound whatsoever. Da, tiyum, idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, and Idgham should be written here. Idgham. واحدة و is short for fatha open jaws. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. La short. qa for fatha open your jaws, and qaf is heavy. Wa kha la qa min for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa off. Tawassut min ha, 2 counts long. Zaw for fatha open your jaws attached with wow. And it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Zawja, ja is short. Ha, 2 counts long. Wa for wow, circle your lips for fatha open your jaws. Beth for fatha open your jaws attached with sa. Ta will get sifa for rakhawa. Beth, and for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ta, min for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. And this is idhar. And ruling is idhar, but sifa is tawassut. Min, who for dhamma circulates, ma, 2 counts long. Ri for kasra give e sound. Ja, 2 counts long. Lang, ikhfa, and ikhfa is always accompanied with gunna. So keeping the sound in your nose, lang, ka is short. Ti, 2 counts long. Around idgham with gunna. For vowels, curly lips, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa, ni, for kasra give e sound. Sa, 4 counts long. 2 counts long because there is fatha. So this is mad. Ayat. Wa nisa, what for wow circular lips for fatha open jaws attached with ta will have no flow of breath sound whatsoever. What, the sound is very sharp. What, and for fatha the sound is sharp, and for fatha open your jaws the sound is very short. What, ta, pull from off circle your lips for cough, make the sound heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with coming up letter, and this is lafz jalala. So lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Allah, and by default it is long. Allah, hal. For fatha upon your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hal, and then fatha is very short. La, the 2 counts long. Ta, short. Sa, 4 counts long. A, hamza is very sharp. And keep this 4 counts long mad and hamza very separate and very clear. That will give your recitation beauty. Lu for the circular to make it 2 counts long. Na, short. B for kasra give e sound. He, 2 counts long. Wa for wow circular lips for fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip up the wasut. Well, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sipa off the wasut, and it is heavy too. Ham, temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long into 4 counts long, and this is mad arid sukoon. In hamza is very sharp for and noon will get sifa of gunna, akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lafz jalala will be heavy because of this fatha before it. No, in no Lord, by default it is 2 counts long. Ha, short. Kaf is light and 2 counts long. Na, short. Ain from your throat for fatha open your jaws. Lay, it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Lay, kum for the muscle lips attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasud. And circling your lips on your calf only when you are touching neem, your lips should be in a straight position. Ora is heavy. Qaf is heavy and make it 2 counts long because this is long wall. Ba, 2 counts long. Ya ayyuhan nasu taqu rabbakumul ladhi خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. For wow circular lips, for fatha open your jaws, and hamza is 2 counts long, and hamza is from your throat, but alif is from your jaw. Two Tul for the circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the was. So tul, yeah, it's very soft and short. For fatha, open your jaws. Yeah, ta is very sharp and 2 counts long. Ta, ma, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws attached with mim. Mim will get sip off the was. Sut, wa for wow, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. La short. For the circle your lips and attach with meme. Meme will get sip of the wasut. And your lips should be in a straight position while you are pronouncing meme. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Ta short, very sharp. No flow of sound whatsoever. The sound is very sharp. Ta. Again, the same thing. Bad for fatha, open your jaws, attached with dal. Dal will get shidda. Bad, no flow of sound. Bad, and then fatha, and the sound is very short. The lul for the masakuli lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lul ho is heavy for fatha, open your jaws. B for kasra, give e sound and make it 2 counts long. B tha is short. B for kasra, give e sound. Don't drop this kasra sound even you are attaching it with the coming up letter. Biq, koi is heavy. And then it is attached with ya, and you remember ya and waw. Whenever these are with tashdid, they will get number, and number is a jump of sound. When you are attaching this law with ya, here you are applying number. Koi, and then kasra for kasra, give e sound, e, and then we are giving sukoon here, so we are applying qalqala on ba. Biqoy, biqoy, yiba, yiba, biqoy, yiba. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Ta for fatha, open your jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound very sharply. Ta ku for the circle your lips. Lu 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For meme, for meme, give tawassut because meme is sakun here. Wa 2 counts long. La short. Home for the masakuli lips attached with meme will get sabat tawassut. Home Hamza is very sharp. La 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For meme, give tawassut. Wa for all circular lips and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound. Kum for the circular lips attached with meme will get sipa of tawassut. In hamza is very sharp. For noon, give gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. For fatha, the sound is very short. Na, hu 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Na short. Hu for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Hu bang. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Bang. Ka is light and the sound is short. B 2 counts long. Ra mad. I want, so make it 2 counts long. وآتوا اليتامى أموالهم ولا تتبدلوا الخبيث بالطيب ولا كلوا أموالهم إلى أموالكم إنه كان حوبا كبيرا. و for circle your lips, for fatha open your jaws. This is إظهار and صفة is توسط. وإن خف for kasra give e sound attached with fa will get صفة of hams. خفتم for the circle lips attached with meme for meme. When you're pronouncing meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Tum. Al Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat, and then it is two counts long. Allah tuq. Ta is very sharp. For the circle your lips attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala. Tuq. C for kasra give e sound. Ta is heavy and it has itbaq and circle your lips and make it two counts long. C. Feel. Don't drop this e sound even then you are attaching with lam with coming up letter. Feel. Give the wasut on lam. Ear. Very soft. The sound is very short. Ta. Very sharp. No flow of sound and make it two counts long. Ma. Two counts long. Fang. Ikhfa. Ibha. Subhanallah. Hums. Hums should not be dropped when you see fa. And then there is ikhfa. Fang. Keep your tongue straight because kaf is among light letters. So this ikhfa is light. Fanki for kasra give e sound. Hu. Circle your lips and make it two counts long. Ma. Two counts long. Po. It is heavy and make it two counts long. Po. Ba. Ba is short. La. Short. Kum for the circular lips, and this is ikhfa shafawi. Meme is merging into other meme. Kum, so it has gunna definitely, and this is gunna akmal. So give a longer time on gunna. Kummi for kasra give e sound. Nan for fatha open your jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nan, and then kasra is very short. Ni, sa is four counts long. E for kasra give e sound. Math for fatha open your jaws attached with tha. Tha will get rakhawa. Math. Na, two counts long. Wa for wow, circle your lips, fatha open your jaws. Thu for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Thu, la, two counts long. Tha, short. Wa for wow, circle your lips, fatha open your jaws. Uru, ra is heavy for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Uru, ba. We are giving temporary sukoon on ayn because of the tabbas and because of the waqf. And this two counts long vowel will be changed into four. And then when we are giving sukoon on ayn, it will get tawassats. Waruba. Give hums. And for fatha on your jaws, the sound is short. Fa in idhar with tawassats. Fa in khif for kha is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with fa. Fa will get hums. Khif tum for the circle lips attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. And your lips should be in a straight position for meme. Tum al hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Al, and then it is two counts long. La. Ta is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws attached with the ayn. Ayn will get sifa of tawassut. Ta. Di for kasra give e sound. Lu for the circle your lips and make it two counts long. Wa. Fa is very short and there is hums before fatha. ف وحي for kasra give E sound. Da short. Then إظهار with توسط. Then ow, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws, attach it wow, and it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Ow, ma, 2 counts long. Ma, short. La, short. Cats for fatha upon your jaws, attach with ta, ta will get sifa of hums. Cats. Ai, Hamza is very sharp. Ya is very soft. And make it 2 counts long because this is lean. I ma, 2 counts long. No for the circle in your lips, the sound is short. Kum for the circle. Attached me will get sip up. The wasat kum. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give isan. Ka is very short. Ad Hamza is very sharp for dal give qalqala. Ad na 4 counts long. Al Hamza is very sharp for fatha when you just attach with lam will get sifa of tawassut, and after giving tawassut it is 2 counts long. Al la ta is short. Ru for the circle your lips. Lu 2 counts long. Ta'ulu. وآتوا اليتامى أموالهم ولا تتبدلوا الخبيث بالطيب ولا تأكلوا أموالهم إلى أموالكم إنه كان حوبا كبيرا وإن خفتم ألا تقسطوا في اليتامى فانكحوا. So here I said that keep your tongue straight. In no, here when you are creating a fa with kaf, you are lifting your tongue. You are blocking the way. So in here you are not keeping your tongue straight, but lifting it up. Yeah. فانكحوا ما قاب لكم من النساء مثنى وثلاث ورباع فإن خفتم ألا تعدلوا فواحدة أو ما ملكت أيمانكم ذلك أدنى ألا تعولوا وآتوا النساء صدقاتهن نحلة. What for our circle lips? Fatha open your jaws. It is 2 counts long, very sharp. Tun for the circle lips. It is not anymore long because it is being attached with the coming up letter. Tun, and there is gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tun, but kasra is very short. Ni, sa, 4 counts long. Very sharp and very short. So is heavy for fatha open your jaws. Do for the circle your lips, and the sound is very short. So do. Qaf is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Qati for kasra give e sound. Hin, keep this kasra sound very clear and then attach with noon. Hin, and give gunna here, akmal gunna, and the fatha is very short. Na, nih for kasra give e sound, attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. Nih la, and ha will get raqawa here. We are changing the sound of ta into ha. Nih la. give hams before fatha, and with fatha complete your fa. Fa, in, ikhfa, and that is heavy ikhfa. You're keeping the sound and your tongue lifted. Fa, in, طيب. For kasra, give e sound attached. Ba, ta is heavy, and then for ba, give qalqala. طيب. Na is noon is short. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Kum, for the circular lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. Kum, ah, for ain should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. And this ikhfa is light. Shay, and it is 2 counts long because this is a harf lean. Shay, im, for kasra, give e sound, and this is idgham with gunna, so you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Im, min, there is idhar, and idhar with tawassut. Min, who, for the circular lips, sound is very short. Naf, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Fa will get hums. Naf, sa, this is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. So this ikhfa should be light. Sa, fa, give hums. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ku, for the circle your lips, the sound is very light. Lu, it is 2 counts long. Hu, short, and for the circle your lips. Ha, short is ha is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Me, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Meme, this is idgham with gunna. Then fatha is short. Ma, ri, 4 counts long. And then it's 2 counts long. Mad, I will. Mad عارض listen. Sorry, not عوض. This is mad عوض. You're exchanging the sound of noon into 2 counts long vowel. So this is mad عوض. You're exchanging one shay to another. Barakallahu fik. Wait. وآتوا النساء صدقاتهن نحلة فإن طبن لكم عن شيء منه نفسا فكلوه